go. Let's go. Hi everyone. I am maybe am I live? Nope. Oh Jesus Christ. I just fucked up. I'm going to not play that. Alright, is everything working? Uh is everything Oh, that's a fucking delay. God damn, that fucking scared the shit out of me. Alrighty. Yeah, it actually works. What the fuck? Okay, that's not shit, but who cares? RNN noise. Damn. um, okay, I need to, before I create an internal monologue. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the development stream of OpenNoteblockStudioVR. Periodically, I'll push changes to GitHub to to add and remove features. Um, uh, Let me just open up the terminal real quick. Yay, we're in PowerShell. Let's go ls. Who cares? cd. Is it in here? Oh. Alrighty, here we go. We are within the project. Then we'll push. Alright, so I've installed Godot 3.5.3 uh from Steam. Where are you? Yeah, stable 3.5 from Steam. So we can, I have access to some demo project because I've just realized they found out we've got demo projects now, just cool in Steam. So I just yoinked the menu system from the Steam version, and now I'm just currently working on it. So we got old Minecraft style stuff. We've got this, which can change our render distance, enable or disable fog if we, do we really need to, sort of situation. We can start the game, go random blocks, flat grass. We can exit. it's essentially a better menu system than what we currently had. But the thing is, I'm still trying to work out. Um, uh, I'm still trying to work out the okay, I've got the main game. Then we're gonna do the scene and stuff. Set up the player. Once you hit start game, you'll be chucked into Here's the options thing. I don't even know why we need fog. Oh, maybe because we're like looking really far into the future, maybe. I'm just gonna yoink the YouTube link. There we go. Yeah. Uh, just wanted to make sure that I get everything set up. Now, you are playing Fortnite Bio. Oh yeah. The new Fortnite update. People keep saying, "Oh, they ruined Fortnite. They ruined Fortnite." They didn't ruin Fortnite. It's the same. Plays the same, acts the same, does the same. This is a regular label. But how did it do rich text? The fuck? What? This makes no sense. Okay, let's stop screwing around. Let's actually start getting into development. So with yeah, we're in a 2D world, but like there's a 3D scene and the menus all the way down there and that little tiny preview point infinitely small. I know, that's what I'm saying. Fortnite isn't ruined. Better in some ways actually. But yeah, we've got this here. I've got Word 2007. Honestly, I think they killed it with this version, figuratively and literally, because they killed the version off. I'm thinking we do a sort of, all right, things to do. Let's do title. I'm just practically doing this because I'm bored, and it's been a bit since I last streamed. All right, so um, okay, I'm gonna. Give me 1 second. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go install Minecraft because I had to reset my computer due to some stupid issues. Oh, what the fuck? They have Python as the Windows Store version? The hell? How far does it go back? 3, 11, 12. It goes down to 3, 7. All right, there we go. Okay, so sort of menu system. Get the scene loaded. Work out the world. Well, work on the world. Work on. Oh, Minecraft's already done. That's cool. Just update the Minecraft launcher. Oh, yeah, this is 2007. Um, so from here we can sort of. I am really tired. I'm so sorry. I just gotta log in on Minecraft real quick. Stupid thing's gonna take so long. Alright, let's do 120.2 like I normally do. There's a Realms tab. God damn it. Alright, that's gonna do. So, make the damn thing. But yeah, fair enough. Alright, that is my recording source there. I would use OBS, but Streamlabs will be top 9 with 9 kills. About to be 10. Let's go. Fall. What is this 52 debugger bullshit? All God damn it. What line? Error print error code method from signal. Oh my Jesus, goddamn Christ! It is all Gudo is C++. C++, some C Sharp, C, Python, Java, GLSL. All right. I died. Good old error. Yeah, just like yeah. Except for this fact that the render distance thing isn't set up correctly, because if we go into the code of here, yeah. So the render distance slider, fog check box, the back button is pressed. Yeah, it's so yeah, it's still a sort of horrible mess, but at least it works, honestly. Like, it's better than stuff. 4.2 came out 4 days ago. Bloody hell. Alright, so on top of this, we've got random blocks, flat grass. I've got to set this stuff up to change the scene to what we need to. So we need to set up a scene that uh, we'll set up a. I want to wait for Minecraft to install. Well, finish downloading its 20.2 version, so I can actually start work on this, because the world is just going back to the roots of the project back in the days when we were using Unity, which wasn't that actually that long ago, to be honest. Um, we used to have a house.
Press enter to enable the
Would
narrator.
you shut your fucking mouth up? There's Minecraft. There we go. There's the world. That's the name of the world. Oh, what? I ain't building a fucking house. Oh, maybe on this island strip here. Well, it's more than just an island strip at this point. But it's surrounded by like some nice water that I can kind of use. But oh, this is gonna be the most painful fucking part. Hold on, let me bind some bloody keys on my mouse real quick. There we go. Got turn into what? What? My brain doesn't want to work. Pause. I'm so used to having Minecraft's sprint key be bound to shift instead of control. I don't even think. I don't know. There we go. That worked wonderfully. Alright. You can choose to keep it. Yeah, I mean, but I'm too lazy. I don't think it's. I don't. Yeah. Alright, let's start. Okay, what color do we use? Out of all the concrete, because I'm thinking we use concrete. Thinking what? The blue, pink, purple sort of section. I don't want it to look too cheesy, but at the same time, it's gotta like look pretty good. Um, I am thinking like light blue. Concrete powder. Hmm. Cool. Okay, so we gotta mark the center line. From here, we can work on technically in this instance, Minecraft is a 3D modeling program. Let's. All right. I'm thinking we have a sort of we have hallways connecting the different rooms, or like, cause in the schematics for the game, from one of the schematics symbol drew up a bit ago. This okay. This is the menu. Fuck. I can't see. I hold on. Let me go find it real quick. What is it? Fucking Jesus Christ! That does a. I was fucking jump scared. Ah man! Why did you put a loud warning on that music? Untitled number 5 final master final. Actually, the bloody thing doesn't even fit. All right, let's go blind. Uh, a long time ago did they? Hi there. Welcome, Land Gord. Is it an N or an M? Land George. Land George. Huh. I cannot read. Larn George. Ah. I really need to. Uh. Oh, fair enough. Read from disc. Lamb. I am George. Oh, I read that as Lamb George. No, I have been up all night. I have been mentioned. I straight up really need to find this bloody file. Is mine through? Skillish. Lol. I can't find this stupid picture that I've been trying to find for the past 15 minutes on Discord. It's supposed to be this layout thing that me and Symbol did a while back, but we never really managed to get around to doing it. But currently, what I'm trying to do is work on magenta and then blue. So, okay, so then 1, 2, 3. What would be the neutral block on the center? Like white? Then magenta can be off to there. So it's like a white center for where you spawn in. Then you have different paths and doorways that you can use to go out. And this one can be what? Lime green. You have there we got concrete and then terracotta. Okay, so this thing needs to be way wider if we're going to support this big giant layered sort of. Okay, so that's centered. Alright, there we go. Then magenta's on this side. Then we get strip down the center. Okay. So with each individual different room that we might have, we might because all right. So within the picture that I was trying to look for, the image contains so we're talking about like the different rooms. Like, hey, should we have different rooms for different things? And Simba was like, yeah, okay, we'll do um oh we'll do rooms for different settings, like different things, different actions. And so I'm like, yeah, that sounds actually pretty fun. And so I am currently trying to fix that up. I'm still trying to do all the current stuff that we've talked about a while back. Because like I'm not gonna give up on a good project idea. I mean, it's like, what do you take me for? Yeah, I might do another barrier. So 4. Do I do 5? Nah. Okay, so yeah, we need to actually go out one more. From here, we have 4 identical corners. I don't think maybe nuking this place was a good idea. But here we have 4 identical corners, that will essentially be either entrances or exits to this whole situation that's going on. So we've got blue on that side. We'll do 1, 2, 2, 3. On this, who is? Yo, it's Minecraft music. Let's go. No. Oh, I wanted to turn the music down so it wasn't too loud for you guys, but fucking. Do like 20 blocks or like 10? Well, let's do 10 for each of the individual things. All let's do the count. 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we stop here. Oh shit, what the fuck have I done with live chat? Oh, there we go, I fixed it. Wait, if we have lime over there... Okay, this would be blue. Alright, so there's that. It's not going to be the smallest area, and it's not going to be the largest. It's probably going to get scaled depending on the player's height, which I'm thinking we put the player, and I know this is going to sound horrible, like a measly 5'6", 5'7". Like, we'll do 5'5", like 150, because it's right on the sweet spot of, like, tall, but not tall, tall, but, like, not too tall. You know, you'll have problems, but the only problems is reaching the high shelf in games. But we're not going to put anything up there. The only thing that, like, in tall places, the only thing that we're going to be doing is maybe some Easter eggs where you have to download. Meh. You gotta, like, find and... I am tired. I'm fucking... I gotta get through this, though. Alright, so from here, it's got 10 on there, 10 on there. We don't have 10 on these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so there is symmetrical center. We have 10 on the purple side. Now all we need to do is the other blue one. Then we'll be fine on that as well. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anything after this is gone. E-waste. This to the bin. Grind it up again. So there we go. We now have... How come light blue concrete powder doesn't look the same as light blue concrete? That doesn't make any sense. Half of the stuff doesn't even look like itself. It's a bit confusing. Whoa! What the fuck is going on with my buddy? One is wet. Wet? What do you mean wet? Wait a minute. This kind of looks like the oh gosh. Hold on. This looks like the oh, what's that one? Kind of looks like the gauntlet thing. One is colored sand. Oh, yeah, fair enough. Makes sense. Then again, yeah. I Okay, so we've got these. What do we keep it as it is, or do we turn it into water? Like, do we put water over it and have it turn into concrete? So like we have this stuff down the center. Because then again, it's just gonna look the same. Maybe instead of doing what we are currently doing, we sort of do a checkerboard pattern. Should have been a super flat. Yeah. Um. Oh, no, yeah, actually, yeah. You know, I'll go do it. I'll load it up in super flat. Super flat. We are in creative. And there's a villager over there. What the fuck? That is a really big village. What the f— Alright, let's do it marginally away from the village so that we don't get zombies and stuff. Hold on, let me just quickly do that real quick. So we'll do light blue, blue, magenta, purple. Then white and black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the center would be there. So checkerboard pattern. Alright, I'll run. Fair enough. Makes sense. Then nothing's gonna work. Alright, from here we'll do blue on this side, light blue on this side, magenta, purple. Magenta, I don't even... Too much contrast difference. So like these two would sort of blend in together. Because I could change it from magenta to... I'm thinking, instead we do magenta, we'll do... Yeah, we can still do the lime green. What do you think? That would work. That is, yeah, pretty much good. It'll be nice to finally douse this all in water. Once we... I'm hoping by the end of the stream to get the first sort of floorboard section set up. And then from here we can look at everything else later. Blue and magenta are not... So blue and pink? Or... That just looks like a meat block. That really does look like a meat block. What the fuck? Either we do pink, because we gotta get a color here. We do pink, brown. We do light gray, gray. We do orange, or like yellow, or any other color. Oh yeah, where afterwards, after like all the sand and stuff is built, we'll chuck it with water to do like a final permanent sort of like, yeah, we completed the base sort of situation type thing. Actually, you know, let's hit it with water now. That doesn't bloody help. Okay, so doesn't actually look half bad, to be honest. Um, I'm thinking instead we just use like a yellow and then we do red. So we replace magenta with red. Logo for the game. This is more so the spawn music production-ish area. You've got like, let's say blue over there is like the settings menu. This like dark blue is the settings. Light blue is the main area where you create your music. This is themes, and then this is like to leave or something. It's like you walk through there, and then it brings up a prompt saying, "Hey, you actually wanna leave? Did you like save your work first?" And if it doesn't, it'll give you a prompt to save your work. Like a normal game, well, music production software, whatever you want to call it, should have. So, because without saving on exit, that's horrible. And also, I don't know what's the deal with. I don't know what the deal with backups will be. So like, how FL Studio has backups, and then maybe we'll do an auto saving feature for it, so it can act like Ableton's. Hey, your project, Ableton crashed while you were in this project. Would you like to reload it from wherever you currently were? Before it crashed, because it through a certain amount of auto saves, it saves to a temp folder, and then from there you can restore the game. Okay, so before we do any massive alterations, what do you think? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Alright, what are we going in for, chat? Let me just fix this up real quick. Is this a sort of, either we do yellow or lime? Color with them would be a blueprint for what the buttons do. Yeah, so thinking we do like are you sure you want to exit? Themes. Okay, you still can place them on angles. That's good. Okay, so you've got exit, themes, settings, work area. So with the work area, you've got Frame should be in set. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It says normal delay or whatever. Let me can I change the delay? That's the question. From like ultra high, mega, insane delay to something a bit. Alright. Maybe this worked, maybe it didn't. I don't know. It depends. So, themes in delay. So, we've got a wall. Choose for the command as well. For the other one as well. So we've got 2, 3, 4. We have a border. Oh, hey, that's cool. Nice. I just had to enable some bloody thing in a streaming software. It should be like a 1 second delay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so with this border, we can use it to sort of say we've got like one more row I gotta put in. And hopefully when I fly up and we have a look at it, yeah, there we go. So if I did that way. Okay, not gonna lie. Yeah, this really looks like this from story mode. 2015 that game came out. 2015. That is old. Oh, damn. Oh. Alright, so after this, so we have the wall over here. I'll give us the settings. You can obviously go behind it and probably like see more or something. I think we'll I think it'll be for the so for the windows and stuff that do our like in-game menus, and I'm thinking it will be viewport related stuff where you just drop the asset or like the menu screen inside, because it'll be in a scene, it'll be within a viewport. You drag and drop the whole thing, and it becomes like a sort of display for people to see and use. So all they have to do is just like yeah, you got all you have to do is open up the tscn file, which is the scene, and change whatever you need to in the menu, and you don't have to change it in the other scenes that use said menu, because it's a scene and it's just duplicating the menu system across like the whole um yeah, the whole sort of instances, instead of having to constantly just open up a scene, change it, close it, open up another scene, change it, close it. Using the arrow keys, should spin 90. Should have an arrow on the right indicating which is the theme should be. Themes should be credits. Fair enough. And then it'll be like, do we have it so it's like Star Wars-esque text where it just like goes from bottom to top, or it's this one giant text box or label that you can scroll through? Because I'm just thinking it's probably just a I'll set up the I think we'll stick with lime, because I think lime will be a lot better when it comes to color, and it just looks a bit better. Icon for each except credits. I don't think you'd have icons for the credits thing anyways. I think in order to view the credits, you'd have to, because within here, oh shit, yeah, Doom. So within here, you've got the menu. You got the Minecraft text. You start game, your options, and then you exit. Hopefully, if I do the menu resizing, view box and height box should do the. Oh, it's doing that again. Okay, stretch mode. There we go. All it does now is essentially just changes the size of it, and now it's all completely fine, and you can play the VR game on desktop in full, yeah, in full screen. So we got in the main. So I'm thinking, wait, no, this is objects, so we'd need to do start game, we can close the textures. We don't need the buttons. So Go to main menu. Oh, so it hides and shows. Virtual reality. So we got, alright, go in here, hit start game, got virtual reality, got flat screen. It does its individual stuff on Android though. You'll have it'll once you hit start game, it'll immediately default to. I'll have this whole check system up set. Where if it shows Android, say like Quest, or just Android in general, or just yeah, set it up for Android in general. It'll do. At the same time, it's failed. It kind of fair enough. Um, I don't know how I'm gonna do Quest porting though. It's the question. Do I have it so that once if it's on Quest, like if it detects that it's on Quest on the start, instead of loading the menu, like it should probably be doing, it will load into a second scene, which, well, okay, so you have like a sort of, okay, I'm thinking of having a scene where it's like not a debug scene, but more so like it does a bunch of checks and stuff when the user runs it. Um, say the user runs it on the computer. It does it checks like what version are we running on, like desktop, you know, the specs of the computer, and then like does some blah stuff with it. Sets outputs and yeah, and then and then if it detect and so like it does the same thing on Android and other platforms, but on Android if it detects that it's running on Android, it'll skip the menu system entirely and just drop you straight in to the actually no, it'll place you into a scene that has the main menu as a viewport. You'll still be able to access it. It'll be the same menu as the desktop version, but in a 3D space. You can't move around. Well, I mean, maybe you can. I don't know. You can't move. You press. You can press the buttons. That's practically about it. It's probably be in the void or something. But oh goodness, oh lord. All right, I gotta head off now. I gotta go do some things. Then finish up some work and then go do some errands and other stuff. But tech. Oh yeah, that's right. Before I go, I'm going to add everything, commit it, push new changes, then git push. For the mobile build, you just make it a normal 3D game. No, but a NASA phone to run the Quest 2. Yeah, fair enough. You just make it a normal 3. But uh if we ever do end up like, because I want to do a Quest 2, like a Quest build, because soon I'll be getting a Quest to do Android testing and stuff for VR games, and just like straight up hand tracking. Maybe maybe even implement. Fuck off. Bloody hell, Mike. Maybe even implement hand tracking as a suboptimal sort of thing. I sound like XQC. Jesus Christ. A sort of like control scheme. Like how most of those games implemented like the finger tracking movement system, but instead of it, it's where you do a sort of a Mamma Mia thing, and then you point in the direction that you want to go, and then you just rotate your fist and you rotate your stuff, or you do like a a Superman sort of pose. Like put one fist out in your move. You can grab the blocks, throw them, you know, stuff like that. But I gotta head off. Take care. See you all later.